Are you seeking a flexible and practical approach to making money while staying at home? If so, you could be the ideal candidate for a data entry job on Fiverr. An online marketplace called Fiverr links independent contractors with customers who want a range of services, including data input. Data entry is the process of entering information into computer system and database. This might involve activities like entering data from actual documents into spreadsheets, classifying and organizing data, and more. Data entry services are necessary for many firms and individuals to maintain their information efficiently. For freelancers to advertise their services and get in touch with potential customers, Fiverr offers a user-friendly platform. It's quick and free to create an account on Fiverr. You may construct a profile that highlights your qualifications, abilities, and the products and services you provide. In order to attract consumers who are explicitly searching for data entry assistance, it is crucial to present precise and thorough information. Once your profile is created, you can begin looking through Fiverr's listings for data entry job on Fiverr. Posting job advertisements with details about the specifications, price range, and completion date is done by clients. You can go through these advertisements and submit applications for any positions that fit your qualifications and schedule. It's crucial to thoroughly study the job descriptions to make sure you can provide the services the client requires. When you look for a position that irritates your interest, you may submit a proposal explaining your qualifications and the reasons you are the ideal candidate for the job. It's crucial to write your proposal professionally, succinctly, and specifically. Highlight any relevant experience you have, and if you can, include examples of your prior work. This will raise the likelihood that the client will choose you. You can bargain over the specifics of the job, such as the cost and the due date, once the customer has seen your proposal and decided to engage you. Through the messaging system offered by Fiverr, you may speak with the customer directly to any queries or worries. You can send the final product to the customer for evaluation once the data entry operation is complete. The project will be marked as finished, and you will be paid if they are pleased with your work. Fiverr securely manages the payment process, ensuring that freelancers receive their cash on time. The freedom provided by data entry job as a freelancer on Fiverr is one of its benefits. Since you may select when and where you work, you can juggle your employment with other commitments or personal obligations. Additionally, Fiverr offers worldwide marketplace, allowing you to connect with customers from all around the world and